Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI text to an image. So first of all, just go ahead to your browser and just type Canva AI text to an image, and you're going to see the Canva official website that allows you to generate for free AI images from text. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click generate AI message, and basically they will turn me to the Canva AI basically, and you're gonna type 5 words to describe. Let's say for example, chicken, right, in a city, okay, and be as specific as possible, right, and so you can know what you're looking for. And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit right here, generate image, right. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just wait it out for a few moments until the image is generated. And it's amazing app, as you can see right here, amazing feature that's been allowed from by Canva to actually generate AI messages to text. So basically that's it, and you can generate it the way you actually want. Let's put on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.